You have been lied to. Strength training is not just about getting six-pack abs or lifting a car over your head. It is the secret weapon for a better brain, a sharper mind, and a longer life. But most people have no clue. Today, we are unlocking the hidden benefits of strength training you have probably never heard of. And trust me, you will want to stay till the end for number 6. It might just change your future. Ready to unleash your full potential? Let's go. Point 1. Strength training supercharges your brain. Imagine lifting a dumbbell, and also lifting your IQ. Studies show strength training boosts brain power by improving memory, focus, and creativity. One theory? It increases the production of BDNF, a magical protein that acts like fertilizer for your brain cells. And here is the kicker. You do not have to train like a bodybuilder to get the effect. Weekly sessions can rewire your mind for better thinking and sharper decision-making. Who knew barbells were secretly brain food? But if you think that is wild, wait until you hear what it does to your stress levels. Point 2. It is the ultimate stress shield. Life is a boss battle after 18. Bills, deadlines, existential dread, good times. Strength training does not just sculpt your muscles, it sculpts your mind to resist stress. Regular lifting floods your body with endorphins, those feel-good chemicals acting like nature's anxiety meds. Plus, feeling physically stronger makes you feel more emotionally resilient. Next time you feel stressed, maybe skip the doom scrolling and deadlift your way to peace. But that is just the start. What it does to your sleep habits will blow your mind. Point 3. Sleep like a baby. Who sleeps? Do you need melatonin gummies the size of a softball to get good sleep? Maybe not. Strength training is one of the most underrated sleep hacks out there. Research shows it helps regulate your circadian rhythm and increases deep sleep, where your body repairs and recharges. Bonus, lifting weights in the afternoon or early evening can turbocharge these effects. And if you wonder whether strength training can help you look younger too, oh wait. Point 4. The real fountain of youth. Move over expensive anti-aging creams. Strength training might be the real cheat code to looking and feeling younger. It boosts collagen production, maintains muscle mass, and hums your metabolism like a V8 engine. Not to mention, it helps improve posture and bone density, making you look taller, stronger, and yes, more confident. So next time someone asks about your skincare routine, wink and say, deadlifts, darling. But the next hidden benefit? It is literally about saving your future self from significant pain. Literally. Point 5. Injury-proof your life. Do you know that one friend who tweaks their back sneezing too hard? Do not be that friend. Strength training fortifies your joints, ligaments, and tendons, your body's infrastructure. It improves balance, stability, and reaction time, reducing the risk of injuries from everyday clumsy moments. It is like upgrading your body's internal shock absorbers. You do not realize how much you will appreciate it until you do not have it. Finally, there is the hidden benefit no one talks about but everyone feels. And it is way more powerful than any muscle flex. Point 6. Unstoppable confidence boost. Here is the truth. It is not just about what you see in the mirror, but what happens inside you. Strength training transforms how you carry yourself, handle challenges, and see your place in the world. Every extra rep, every heavier lift sends a message to your brain. I am capable. I am strong. I can do hard things. That mindset bleeds into your work, your relationships, and your dreams. Strength is not just physical, it is the foundation of who you are becoming. Strength training is not about the weight you lift. It is about the life you build. So, if you are ready to become the strongest, sharpest, most unstoppable version of yourself, it is time to start. If you found this inspiring, hit the like button and subscribe for more secrets to leveling up your life, one lift at a time.